welcome to our Crazy Craft Scotland. It's Fiona here, and today I have a diamond painting unbagging. Woo! It's not just any diamond painting, it's a Victoria's Moon diamond painting, and the first one I've ever had from there. I kind of lost my diamond painting mojo a little bit recently. I've been really enjoying doing my adult colouring, and I've been getting into paper crafting, and I'm sorry if you can hear the dogs in the background. They've picked right now to start playing. So yeah, I decided that I wanted to do some more diamond painting, and to get my mojo back I thought I'll get a nice Halloween one, and that way I've got a time pressure on me to make sure I get it done, because there's no point in doing it after Halloween. And I was having a look and I thought, oh, do you know what? I've seen a lot of reviews recently by YouTubers from Victoria's Moon, and I thought I'm going to have a little look on that site. I know that Christine from My Life and Hobbies, my lovely friend, has done a review recently, as have some of the other, for goodness sake, puppies, as have some of the other YouTubers that I now watch through Christine, and they did look really, really good. And I have looked on the site before but thought they were a wee bit expensive and decided against it. However, I've now realised that a lot of the time the reason that the diamond paintings on Amazon are so cheap is because they're selling them unlicensed. And I don't really want to risk buying an unlicensed painting and the artist not getting the recognition or the money for it. So I know that Victoria's Moon's a reputable company, so I decided to go in there and have a look. And I'm glad that I did, because they had a load to choose from. Molly. The only problem is I've also seen a lot of Christmas ones I want now as well. So what I decided to do, I can't remember the picture. So it's going to be a nice surprise to me as well, because like I said, there was loads I was choosing from. I know that I did get a square one, and I know that I got a 25 by 30 because I wanted a nice small one just to get me back into it again, and I thought if it's too big I'll feel daunted and won't bother doing it. So let's open this baby up and see what I got. Oh, and it was £13.99 as well with free delivery. So let's have a look and see. I've taken it out of the outer packaging just so my address isn't on show, but that's as much as I have done. So let's see what we've got in here. We have our drills. Like I said, they're square. Sorry about the lighting. It's actually first thing in the morning here, but it's so dull outside that the lighting is shocking. So I don't know if you can see that. It's nice square drills. Oh, and we've got a toolkit. I've never had a white boat before. I've only ever had the green ones. Let's see what we've got in here. Sorry about the crinkle. Right, so here is our toolkit. Ooh, nice tweezers as well. Ooh, I've never had them before either. Right, so we have got a pen with a nice comfy cushion bit on it. That'll be quite handy actually. And is that a multi-placer? Yep, that's is it a multi-placer? Yes, it is a multi-placer. I don't know how many, 6 maybe. I don't do multi-placing because I'm rubbish at it. Oh look, the pen's glittery. Can you see that? Right, do you know what? I'm gonna try and put my ring light on and see if that helps. Hold on. Hopefully that's a bit better. I was just being lazy, to be honest. I should have done that in the first place. Right, so it is quite glittery. I don't know if you can see it or not. Ignore the state of my hands. They're so dry from wheeling myself about in my wheelchair. But it is glittery. It's got a multi-placer. It's got a comfy bit. We have got, oh, a nice heavy pair of tweezers with a nice fine point on them. Ooh, I never know what to do with these. What do you do? What do you need the tweezers for? You use your pen to lift up the bits. I don't know. And here we have got our wax. We have got a nice square boat. Ah, is this different because it's squares? I've never had one of these ones before. Cool. And what's this? We have got a sticker. Okay, what's this for? What's this for? Why have we got a sticker? Okay, I'm confused. Right, so that's what's in the toolkit. I've never had that before. I'll have a look at the drills in a minute. Let's find out what this picture is, because I can't remember and it's annoying me. Right, okay, so this is the first time I've had the opaque cover on it. Oh, why have I got... Why have I got just a bit of copy paper with the symbols on it? Is this like an inventory? No, it doesn't tell me how many it is. It tells me there's 30 colours. It shows me the symbols. Okay, I don't know why I need that. Hopefully it'll still be... Yeah, it's on here. Weird, 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 weird. Right, yeah, so I've not had the opaque cover before, which means I believe that this is double-sided tape rather than poured glue. And I know that you can get problems with the double-sided tape, so let's have a look and hope that we have it. So 25 by 30. Oh, right, that's the tape off, and my fingers now stuck together. Oh God, oh, I'm such a professional. Right, there we go. Let's open this up and see. Okay, it's just going to roll back over on itself. All right, so we have got a wee tube. We have got a foam tube to keep it all nice and neat. So it has been packaged well. I'm just going to try and roll it back on itself just now. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, goodness me. Oh, look at the wrinkles. I hope the glue isn't all wrinkled as well. Honestly, my first impressions aren't that great. I think I prefer the cheap ones. Maybe I shouldn't do this with the double-sided tape, should I? I don't know. Right, let's find out. Slightly better. Here's a bit. Oh, I remember. Wait till I show you. I remember, look. It's the pumpkins with the poorie cats and the dogs, and I had to get the dogs because that's a St Bernard and I love St Bernards. We've got a Leonberger, which is similar to St Bernard size-wise. It's got St Bernard in it. And is that a retriever at the back? I can't see what that is at the back. I'm not sure. Oh, actually, that's right. That's why I got it, because it's hard to see from this picture, but its ears are sticking right up like Willa's do. It reminded me a bit of Willa. So that's why I got this. So yeah, I'm hoping that it's going to be big enough to actually be able to see the picture properly once it's done. But let's have a look and see how the glue is looking. Oh, it's very, very sticky. Very, very sticky. Right, so, so it's sticky right to here. I'm going to have to put some washi tape on here, I think, because everything's going to stick to that. And at the side, it doesn't go too far out. Let's have a look. And we'll see how clear the symbols are. I think I'm definitely going to have to get my, my, what do you call it? My light pad out. Actually, the glue's looking not bad. I'm not seeing any rivers or any cracks or anything like that. I'm just wondering if it is going to be too small to get the proper detail. Let's have a look at the symbols. So there's 30 colours. It does have the DMC codes. Actually, the symbols are relatively clear. They're not too bad at all. I don't know why they can't just give us nice numbers and letters. Because when I'm putting all my drills into my little containers, I like to put the numbers and letters on it. I'm not good at drawing symbols. But yeah, so far it's looking not bad. Let me try and sort of flatten this down a bit. Oh, for goodness sake. And do it from the other side now. Again, it goes really quite, oh, it's quite dirty up there, look. It goes right up, and the canvas is actually a wee bit damaged there. But it's not part of the picture, so it's fine. And again, the glue's actually looking okay, I think. Yeah, so it remains to be seen how clear it's going to be with it being so small. Oh, well, I check that it actually is 25 by 30 on the canvas size, on the picture size, or is it just the canvas? Let's see. That way, oh no, it is, it is. And there it's there. It is, it's a true 25 by 30, so that's good. It isn't the canvas size, it's the actual painting size, which is nice. So again, there is the picture. There's all the symbols, and like I say, it's got the DMC codes as well, 30 different colours. Let's have a quick look. Oh, it's already in little baggies, which is nice. I do quite like that, but I do still like to put them in my own storage. I'm not going to go through all of them, I'm just going to have a little quick look at some. So what is this here? What have we got on here? Right, number 12. Ah, right, okay. So we have got, on the actual bag, we've got the number that it refers to on the canvas, so it's number 12. We've got the DMC code on the bag as well, which is nice, 793, and 1 gram, so I take it that's how much this actually weighs. The drills themselves look not too bad. Like I said, it's square. I do like a square drill. Yeah, they look not too bad. So we've got some nice colours in here, I think. A nice sort of peachy colour. That's nice. Nice cream. So there's no specials. No specials in this one. That's quite nice as well. I'm liking that. Yeah, it looks like, I'm not going to sit and do an inventory and things here because that can be pretty boring, but it looks like, oh, I like that colour, look, look, oh, that's nice. I do like that. But it definitely looks like the drills look good quality. Yeah, I'm quite happy, I'm quite pleased. So, I still don't know why I need this. Why do I need this, folks? Tell me why I need this. Is it just like an inventory? I'm not sure. It just makes it look a bit naff. To me, it makes it look cheap. I think without this, I would have had a better first impression, to be honest. But so far, I am really, really pleased with this. I'm liking my toolkit with my nice tweezers and my nice square boat. I still don't know what the sticker's for, but hey ho. I know some paintings do have like a little mini picture of a sticker so that you can put it in your journal and things, but I don't think this is just a normal sticker, I think. Is it even a sticker? Yes, it's just a sticker. Okay. Okay, there's no prizes, but please put your guesses in the comments below what this sticker's for, because it'll do my head in. Yeah, nice toolkit with a wee sparkly pen and a multi-placer, or is it a straightener? It might be a straightener actually, I'm not sure, I don't know. Anyway, I've got plenty drills and a nice looking canvas, lots of different symbols. Just give us letters and numbers, folks. Yeah, I'm looking forward to starting this, and once I've completed it, I'll definitely show you what it's like. I might even do like a whip and chat or something at some point when I'm working on it and let you know what I think of it. But so far, for $13.99, a nice small diamond painting, I'm looking forward to getting started on this, so yay! I hope you've enjoyed watching this unbagging. Please answer some of my really frustrating questions about this and about this and what do I do with the tweezers? I like having them, they're very pretty. Is it if I drop them? I don't know. What do I do with the tweezers? Is it... I don't know. I do everything with my pen. I've never used the tweezers for anything. Let me know. Let me know. I'm such a novice. Right, so thank you so much for watching this, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it. If so, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not always this scatterbrained, honestly. Well, actually, I am a wee bit. But still subscribe anyway. You might quite enjoy me being a bit scatterbrained now and again. And I will see you in our next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.